Hi everyone, Frank here from Open Habitat based in West London, and we've just finished off this project which is in St Margaret's, close to Twickenham Bridge, in a beautiful development. And our clients wanted, as you can see, it's a smallish garden, but they wanted a versatile space that they could use 365 days a year. We've just fitted a Brera P, which is our premium product, Pergola, which has a fully retractable roof system, lighting and blinds. If the weather turns, you can close the roof. The lovely thing about these is the water will hit the roof, runs away discreetly in a gutter and down the posts. As you can see, the back built-in blind, which is completely disappears when it's open. This one is acrylic, so it's going to be used for projector, for movies, you know, relaxing out here watching movies. And as you can see, all the glass sliding doors are excellent. If the weather turns or you want to keep the heat in, you can close all the doors. Great outdoor little kitchen here. So we've got our infrared sizzle zone on gas, more traditional asado style grill, and a pizza oven. Good lighting, power supplies, and a great little versatile space for someone, you know, spending your time outdoors. And if you work from home, it's a great spot just to spend your days working in an outdoor environment, connected with nature, and you can open the roof at a push of a button.